How to add sound to videos in Veo 3. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you are someone that is creating videos using Gemini or Flow and your videos don't have sound and you hear all these other people talking about using sound in Veo 3 videos, well, you might be making a few tiny errors and I'll show you guys how you can fix that. So to get started, simply click on try in Flow or you can try in Gemini. This is just up to your personal preference on how you like to use Google's Veo 3. Once you go into Flow, you're just going to click on Create with Flow and proceed. Now, you do need to have your own account for this, and then you're just going to log on to your account. And for you to be able to use Veo 3, you do need to have a Google AI subscription. Now, Google AI subscriptions start for only $20, so it is actually a pretty reasonable subscription considering the quality of videos you can create with Veo 3. Now, these are some of the videos that I've created, and you might say, hey, how do I turn on the sound for some of these videos? Well, this all depends on the model that you're using. These videos do not have any sound. I've used Veo 2 in these. However, if I was to compare this to maybe this video here. Now within this video, I have described the character. So my character is in her mid-20s, she's 5'7", Asian, and then on the right, you can see the model that I've used. So you specifically need to use either Veo 3 Fast or Veo 3 Quality. So if you take a look at the prompt box at the bottom, you can click on the filters on the right and you can click on model. And this is where a lot of people make mistakes. They select Veo 2 Quality. Now Veo 2 Quality takes the same amount of credits as Veo 3. However, Veo 2 generates no audio, even if you're using their quality version. So it's opted for Veo 3 and Veo 3 Fast for audio creation. Now, Veo 3 Fast might not have as nice of a creation because that is the beta version. However, Veo 3 Quality prioritizes both video quality as well as the audio quality. So this is what my video looks like. And you guys can see that the audio is very crisp in this. So if you want to create your own video from scratch with audio, just click on new project over here. Once you click on new project, you're going to proceed with entering either how you want to get started. Now this applies to both, whether you're starting from text to video or frames to video. You can still have audio even if you opt for a frames to video. I'm going to go with text to video, and on the right side, I'm going to choose my model. This is really important, so I'm going to make sure to select Veo 3 Fast, and then I'm going to add my video. So a woman in her bedroom talking about how she has found the best concealer. And now I have even specified the topic to what my dialogue should be related to. So I've specified what the AI model or AI person should be talking about, and then I'm just going to proceed. Now you might say, hey, why did you go for Veo 3 Fast? Isn't this going to render or compromise the audio? Veo 3 Fast is still going to create some really amazing videos. If you're not creating for professional use, you can play around with Veo 3 Fast because it is going to give you very quick image or video generations, and then you're able to experiment and play around with prompts so you can actually determine what you want to use specifically and how you want to enhance a prompt. And once your prompt has been finalized, everything has properly been decided, then you can proceed with that particular specified prompt. So that just makes it easier for you to navigate and to actually use Veo 3 when you are using the faster model, because you're able to see what type of audio has been created and what your prompt is going to result in. So I'm just going to wait for this to be created so I can show it to you guys. And within a minute, my video has been created and this is what it looks and sounds like. So this is actually perfect, and I do think that this is super realistic. It sounds and looks like it could be any influencer or any person, you know, advertising a product. This is great for UGC content as well. Now, the best part about using Veo 3 with audio is that you can extend scenes. So if you are satisfied with a scene, just click on Add to Scene on the top, and once you click on Add to Scene, you're going to make sure to select the same model. So you do need to select Veo 3 Fast again, and then you're going to click on this plus icon, and then you're going to click on Extend, and then once you click on Extend, you're going to define what happens next. So I want the woman applies the concealer to her face and blends it with a beauty blender. And now from here, this isn't supported on Veo 3 Fast, so you can either switch to Veo 3 Quality. Now Veo 3 Quality is going to take 100 credits, so that can be pretty expensive. However, keep in mind that these extension features are not going to be supported currently at the time of this video, but I do think that they are going to be supported within the next update of Veo 3. So pretty soon you're going to be able to extend the audio. Now you might say, hey, what happens if I want to extend the scene and I want to preserve the audio? Well, you can just create the second scene without audio, or you can go back into the chat and ask it to take the same prompt and ask it to take the same character from your previous video and then further enhance the scene. So from here, I can ask it to take the same avatar and she applies her concealer. And now because I am putting this within the same project, it is going to be able to detect what character I'm referring to and the previous, video that I created, so that it can create the new video. So from here, it can, get an idea. And we have several other examples of this. Your ambient noise or your dialogues are not just limited to just basic dialogues. You can actually create just ambient music, simple music. And again, I have this other example of this UGC based content that I've created using Veo 3. In this, my prompt was to create a woman and she is saying, I love the new Lily lipsticks, like so. And she says that, and then below that I have a Veo 2 Fast video which does not have any audio. And right now our new video has been created, and you guys can see that this has been, all of these are examples of different audio clips that can be created. And we even have some ambient noise, so if you are creating something that is not, central, that does not have a central person, if you just need some ambient noise, we can even create that using Veo 3, because Veo 3 definitely does, prioritize hyper realism, and the audio it creates is hyper realistic as well. So with these types of ads that we've created, it was able to accurately create a background voiceover accordingly. So not only does it create, direct dialogues, but it can even create your voiceovers. And that is how you can get audio with Veo 3 in Google. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.